and today's topic is child obesity in India. A few weeks ago, I was reading an article in which was written that India has the second highest number of child obesity in the world, next to China. It's my responsibility as a dietitian to aware all the parents and teachers towards them, because there is not much awareness towards child obesity in India. So let's talk about child obesity.
So next we will discuss about definition of child obesity. Obesity is defined as a condition of abnormal or excessive fat accumulation in adipose tissue.
The next question that comes in our mind that how will we determine the child is overweight or obese? So let's discuss about.
Obesity is defined as a BMI, but child BMI is calculated differently than an adult's. It is based on age and gender specific classifications because the child's body is constantly changing due to growth. If BMI is greater than 85th percentile, it means child is overweight for age in children. If BMI is greater than 95th percentile, it means child is obese.
So next we will discuss facts about child obesity.
Facts of childhood obesity in India. First fact is childhood obesity is now an epidemic in India. With 14.4 million obese children, India has the second highest number of obese children in the world, next to China. Second fact is by 2025, India have over 17 million obese children and stands second among 184 countries where the number of obese children are concerned. This fact was written in India Today, New Delhi, September 2018. And the WHO, World Health Organization, has warned India to recognize threat posed by obesity to Indian population and take preventive steps. Let's discuss what is the causes of childhood obesity. Childhood obesity occurs when the child or adolescent consumes more energy than he or she uses for growth and physical activity. So we will discuss the vicious cycle of childhood obesity. As you can see, when a healthy child play a video games and eats a high fat foods and lack of physical activity, then they will become a mild obese child. And when a mild obese child start feeling tired on climbing stairs, then they stop all type of movement and becomes moderate obese child. And moderate obese child at last becomes obese adult and they have many health problems. As I have already told in previous slides that obese adults develop many health problems like type 2 diabetes, hyperlipidemia, obstructive sleep apnea, heart disease, hypertension, and at last osteoarthritis. So it's very important to concern the child obesity.